Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is the bounce, which is very simple. You're just bending your legs. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So the bounce is something that's consistent. It's always there in 1, 2, and 3. Bouncing. So the arms are a little more complicated. So you're going to come up here on 1 and 2, and from here both hands have to move. So as this one comes up to here, this one goes to the other side here, and again you got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Same thing happens again. This hand comes across to here, your second hand goes down to here, an and. So again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and for the 8, this hand goes down, this hand moves. 8 and. So it's all in an 8. Again, so you got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. So that's it for one side. So with everything, it's always good to practice things on both sides so that you're a complete dancer, rather than doing everything on your good side and then your bad side is really bad, right? So again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. When you get to and, you want to make sure that this hand doesn't go on top but goes inside, like you're putting a gun into a holster. Here. Then you switch to the other side. 1 and 2 and. Same concept, switching hands. 3. Again, this hand's going to come up to here, that hand is going to go to here. 3 and 4 and 5 on the and. Hands are switching again. And 6 and 7 and switch. 8 and. Make sure you put it in the holster. And then you switch to the other side again. Kind of makes sense? So we do everything on both sides. We do both sides right now. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Put it in and switch to the other side. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and.